Hey all,
Welcome to Homeschool. Hope everyone are good.
we are very much happy to inform you that finally we have become a family of 50k subscribers. Congratulations everyone and thank you so much to each and everyone who made this possible so quickly. We never imagined that we would reach this success so quickly because initially when we started the channel, we were having lots of confusions, fears, and doubts. It's all because of your positive response that kept us motivating and that made us to do more productive things for you all. So now it's a time for celebrating the occasion. And initially we thought of celebrating this by cutting a cake, but it has become very much routine and everybody does that. And there's no point in cutting a cake, there's no significance, right? So that's why we have planned the occasion in a different way. So this time we will celebrate this by planting a tree. See guys, this is the wonderful and memorable day for us. We want to remember this day forever. That is one of the reason why we are actually planting a tree. See, whenever we look at that tree, it will always remind us of this particular day and this particular celebration, right?
May you all grow up like this evergreen tree. Come up with flying colors. Now let's go for planting a tree.
The other part of this celebration is to answer all your questions that you were asking us right from starting in the comment section, right? So here we will answer to all your questions. You will get all your confusions and doubts cleared with this particular information. So here she will go with the first question.
The first and the most asked question in Homeschool channel is how we both are related. We both are co-sisters. We live in same house as a joint family. We both have a same teaching background. This is the main reason to make this channel happen.
The next question is how did our YouTube journey started? It's a very long story. I'll tell it in a brief. See, it was March 2020. Entire country was under lockdown, COVID-19 lockdown. And all of a sudden, government declared that examinations have been cancelled for classes 1 to class 9. And 10 standard examinations have been postponed. And before that we were actually having a very busy lifestyle, always busy teaching for the schools, colleges, and corrections, homeworks, preparations for the classes, etc., etc. And all of a sudden we have become very much free in the month of April, right? And we didn't know what to do that point of time, and so we started watching all the movies in the Netflix and Amazon. Watched all movies of all languages: Tamil movies, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, English movies. That has become routine in the month of April. And there came a situation that we have to start online classes for the next coming batch, that is for 2020 SSLC batch. And we started thinking of live classes, that is live Zoom classes or Google Meet classes. Whereas we had lots of network issues in our area, and moreover most of our school children belong to remote areas, so definitely it's not possible to make our content reach to all the students. So that is the main reason why we have selected YouTube as the platform. We started giving a YouTube recorded classes for the students. And when we started recording the classes, that was a big challenging thing to face the camera. We had lots of doubts, confusions, and we are very much new to the technology. We don't know how to record the classes and how to edit them, how to put it in a YouTube, right? So all were like very much new things for us. but then no other go, we have to start. We have learned everything, we started recording the classes and then started editing it, and everything we have learned gradually. And when we were recording the classes, we had given number of trials. Actually, there were so many failed classes. Say one example I'll tell you. When she was recording that probability chapter, I was holding a camera, and I forgot to switch on that autofocus thing. I didn't do autofocus for the video, so the entire video had come very much blur. So again she had to repeat the entire concept. See, second time when she repeated, she forgot to keep the mic. Okay, and again the third time she has to repeat the entire thing. So that way we had lot of failed videos, but gradually we picked up. Okay, we corrected all our mistakes, and we improved in doing recorded classes. And one big challenge is it's very different from classroom teaching. At least in the classroom, we will teach in front of the children, and we can change or mold our teaching according to the expressions of the students, right? And we can able to understand whether children can able to get the concept or not. But here in front of a camera, we will not have any students, and we have to give our best. That is another challenge we have faced during recording YouTube classes. So initially we have sent this recorded classes to our school children. Within a day or two, we had got 300 subscribers, but reaching to 400 subscribers was a big challenge. We didn't get 400. I mean, from 300 subscriber count has not been increased to 400 for about 10 days. And then we have, that point of time, we got so much scared that whether this is going to work out or not, can we able to reach to a larger number of children or not. Luckily, other school children also started using our content, so that's how it has spread to different schools, and then from different schools to it has spread to different districts also. From different districts it has spread to different states, and now I'm very much happy to share that around 12 countries, more than 12 countries are watching our channel. So we are very happy regarding that. And they started giving positive comments for our content. So now we have become so much confident that we can do anything in the future for the benefit of students.
And next, many of you asked about us, and most of the people want to know about us. So now here we are going to share about us. Myself, I have born and brought up from Vijayawada, that is Andhra Pradesh, and I have done my higher studies from Hyderabad, and later I have done MSc from Osmania University, and then BEd I have done in Karnataka, Gulbarga University. Later on, I got married and settled in Gangavati, that is from Karnataka. And now I am working as a teacher. My mother tongue is Telugu. I know Kannada. Nange Kannada chanag barutte. This is about myself.
So next is about my personal information I would like to share with you all. See, I am born and brought up in Karnataka. I am very much proud to say myself as Kannadiga, but my mother tongue is Telugu. And coming to my studies, I studied in various parts of Karnataka actually. I did my graduation in Mysore. And so, whenever I see the people commenting from Mysore, I feel as though they are so much connected to me. I can remind of my Mysore days, how I used to enjoy in the college, roam all Mysore roads, Devrajars Road, all that. I will just go back to those days whenever I look at your comments from especially the Kodagu, Hassan, Mysore, all that. And coming to my post graduation, I did it in Mangalore University, Konaje. Okay, so whenever I look at people commenting from Kundapur, Mudbidre, Udupi, Mangalore, I feel so much connected with them. It's been a decade being to Mangalore University. So whenever I see you people commenting from those places, I'll go back to Mangalore days. And I did my schooling in Raichur and Ballari districts. So I belong to North Karnataka also. And I married and settled in Gangavati, that is a part of North Karnataka. So I can say, all districts are so much favorite to me, and I belong to all the districts. I very well know each and every part of Karnataka. And I belong a bit to Tamil Nadu also. It's because my husband's grandparents were from Tamil Nadu. They do talk Tamil, but I cannot speak Tamil. I can understand. When people ask me to talk in Tamil, it motivates me to learn Tamil and speak in Tamil. Okay, definitely I do learn Tamil, how to speak. I'm a huge fan of Tamil movies also, the Rajnikant, Dhanush, Vijay, all are my favorite actors. And many of them were asking me to talk in Kannada. See, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಓದೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನಾನು ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ 100K ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನಾ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. And coming to one more point, I belong a bit to Kerala also. I'll tell you how. See, most of my friends are from Kerala. When I did my graduation in Mysore and when I did my post graduation in Mangalore, I had lots of Kerala friends. So I'm aware of their culture and their food style. I love a lot, especially that idiyappams and all. So that way I am connected to Kerala also. I am basically a chemistry lecturer. I do teach chemistry for PUC 1, PUC 2, and for all the competitive examinations like NEET, JEE, etc. I started teaching for 10th science from past 2 years. And now, you know what, interestingly, I'm getting more positive comments for the physics chapters compared to chemistry and biology. So this is one interesting fact about myself. So that's all about me, nothing else. And then the next question is very interesting question and very nice question also. Why do we use only blackboard or green board with chalk? See, this is a very traditional type of teaching, right? And when we have watched other YouTube channels, they were using smart boards and lots of technology for that animation, visuals, and etc. First thing is we cannot afford for buying smart board or any technology. That is one reason. And along with that, we felt this particular way of teaching is the most realistic teaching and the live teaching, right? A very interesting teaching that you will get that classroom experience, right? And you know what, from past 1 to 1.5 years, maybe you have missed your classroom experience and the way you sit in class and the way the teacher teaches, copying notes, that's the most important experience one must have in school life. You have missed that. Say we wanted to bring back that experience. And we do teach along with writing. The main intention is to make you all copy the running notebook, copy the points that is there in a board, right? And that is the way of learning. And when you study along with writing, your study becomes complete. That's what I believe. So that's the reason we wanted to give you that entire classroom atmosphere and classroom feeling, classroom learning. That's the reason we have restricted to this green board or blackboard with chalk. Definitely, in case in future, if our students are getting nice benefit, definitely we do introduce technology, like we will buy smart boards, etc. If you are getting more benefit than this.
As we have requested for most of the children to give the feedback, and we got lots and lots of feedback from many children and many places. We are very happy to see most of the children faces from many places. Those belongs to homeschool.
We could take only few video feedbacks. Most of you, and many of you have sent the video feedbacks, and especially most of them were girls. I think girls are good at facing the camera, and now you got to know what problems you would have facing a camera, right? Very few boys have sent the video feedbacks, but they have sent beautiful textual messages. Then definitely we do understand your technical problems in making video. So we could select only few because many of your videos were lacking clarity, and in few videos the hands, head parts were cut in the video. That's the reason we could not select those videos for showing in this particular 50K celebration video. So don't feel bad about that. At least you have tried, and we are very much happy to see your faces. And we are very much happy that you have faced camera and you have experienced that feeling of expressing your joy. Now let us watch and enjoy some of the beautiful video comments.
Hello homeschool, congratulations on your 50k subscribers. I am not a student, but then I've seen some of my cousins utilizing this channel to their full potential. So Nalini and Radhika ma'am, you both are doing a fantastic job. I just want to thank you from my bottom of my heart, because in this pandemic times, this channel has been a rescue to so many students. So I wish you guys all the success and keep up the good work, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Virupaksha. First and foremost, I want to congratulate Homeschool for its accomplishment and success of 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. So we are a strong YouTube family now. We truly appreciate the hard work and dedication of these teachers who worked very hard during these pandemics to provide best source to the students in their education. Grab every milestone day by day and make this channel to be recognized as one of the top channel in the field of education. I am very eager to see your silver play button, and once again congratulations Homeschool for your achievement and success.
Hello everyone, I am Shweta and I am from Shahapur, Yadgir district. Congratulations for Homeschool channel for reaching 50k subscribers, and congratulations for Radhika ma'am and Nalini ma'am. May all your dreams come true. May your subscribers reach to 100k in coming days. Homeschool is very special to me because I have got lot of knowledge and I am very inspired. And Radhika ma'am and Nalini ma'am's dedication is really admirable, and the way of teaching is just amazing. And the best option for learning is the only Homeschool. Keep watching Homeschool. Once again, congratulations. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Indupriya from Warangal, Telangana. A very hearty congratulations to Homeschool for celebrating 50k subscribers, and I am very much thankful to Nalini ma'am and Radhika ma'am who are helping me to study in 10th well, and I hope Homeschool should celebrate many of these occasions like this, and very much thankful to Nalini ma'am and Radhika ma'am once again, and very hearty congratulations to Homeschool for 50k subscribers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Prashant from Udupi. I have been watching video lectures by Homeschool science and maths teachers Nalini ma'am and Radhika ma'am. For the past 1 month, I found their classes extremely useful, interesting and too good. Hope they keep on teaching us as they are the boon to the students. I wish them good health and wholehearted love. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Soumya, studying in 10th standard. I am from Harihar. Nalini ma'am and Radhika ma'am made us to study all the subjects in a convenient way. Their way of teaching is very nice. They teach in such a way that where the students can become topper in all the core subjects. And I am requesting Homeschool channel to do social science also. Congratulations for 50k subscribers, and I am requesting all the channels or students to do subscribe of Homeschool channel. Thank you.
Hello Homeschool, myself Sai Charan. I am studying in 7th standard. I had gone through Homeschool basics mathematics videos which is led by Radhika ma'am. All the concepts were clearly explained with good examples. After watching the videos, I had gained knowledge on the concepts which are not clear. So I thank Radhika ma'am for making such a wonderful videos on this pandemic year. Thank you Homeschool.
Hi, myself Triveni. I'm grade 10. I'm studying in Little Art School, Gangavati. First, I really want to congratulate you having 50k subscribers in Homeschool channel. There are 2 subjects in Homeschool channel, Maths and Science. Is it difficult? No. When you join the Homeschool channel, Maths and Science will become very easy subject in your life. Thank you ma'am for making Homeschool channel, and I wish to have still more subscribers to you.
I am Vaibhavi Suparnakandi from Jamkandi, studying in 10th standard in Tungal School. So firstly, I want to congratulate Homeschool channel for completing its 50k subscribers. Congratulations. And so thank you so much.
Namaste, my name is Navyaji Herbar. I am studying in Nirmala High School, Kumta. First of all, I would like to congratulate Homeschool for reaching 50k subscribers. I would also like to thank Nalini ma'am and Radhika ma'am for teaching us all the chapters very beautifully. I would like to thank our science teacher, Shri Ravindra Mahale, for introducing us Homeschool. From the Homeschool videos, I have learned many things and I am able to face exam confidently. Thank you so much.
Namaste, this is Rakshita and I am studying in class 10th. I congratulate my channel, that is Homeschool, for having 50k subscribers.
Hi, this is Rishi from Madhu, studying in St. Anne's High School. First of all, I need to thank whole Homeschool team who helped children all over Karnataka to study easily in this pandemic and in this difficult time. And a special thanks to both Radhika ma'am and Nalini ma'am who taught us each topic in detail with a much easier way. And a special thanks to the whole homeschool team. So let's hit 100K soon. All the best, homeschool team.
See, those were the beautiful video clips, isn't it? We enjoyed a lot. And now we will display you few of the comments that you posted in the comment section. We are getting thousands of messages every day. That's one of the reason why we are not giving reply to all your messages. We have collected 50 most beautiful comments from past 1 week. So let us enjoy watching those comments also, and just check it out whether your name is there in the comments or not. I mean, in the clip that we are showing. Hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you found your name in the video, just comment in the comment section. And one more good news I wanted to share you is we have created one more homeschool channel for ICSE syllabus. Say all ICSE chemistry, physics, biology as well as mathematics is going to be completed. The entire content we will provide in a channel, but it will take some time. Slowly we are starting up to fill up the content initially. So do encourage us, and you can share the channel and you can share the news to your ICSE friends or your neighbors or whoever you have. And you can also use the content because, you know, ICSE syllabus is definitely it will match with the first PU and second PU syllabus. So if you want any content clarity, you can watch those videos also. It will be there in ICSE channel. So do support us and keep motivating us so that we will come up with varieties of videos and varieties of information that can definitely give 100% benefit for you all. So with this, we are completing this celebration, and hope we will again meet you all in the 100K celebration. Okay, so definitely, and our best wishes are always with you. Let everyone come up with beautiful flying colors. Hope you have all your wishes come true in your life. May God bless each and every one of you, and take good decisions, and all your intentions have to be good in the future. So all the best and good luck for each and every one of you from our side.
All the best from homeschool. We wish you all a good luck. Thank you all. Thank you for your support.
Thank you so much. Meet you all in the 100K subscriber celebration, and see you in the next class.